All right, welcome. This is going to be the recap for the week ending on July 2nd, 2021 for our live chat room. But first, let me mention that if you're not on our mailing list, then you may not have received this offer. It is our best offer of the year. We do have a special going on. It's only going to be for 2 days. So it's going to be today, July 4th and July 5th only. I doubt if you're going to see this good of a deal for the rest of the year or ever again, because prices are going to be going up on our products. But nonetheless, if you would like to get a copy of our offer, you will need to go to binaryprostrategies.com, send us your email address, and we'll send you this offer. Once again, it's only going to be good for today, the 4th, and tomorrow, the 5th, and then it will expire. We'll go back to our regular prices. So let's take a look at our weekly stats and see how we did for the week. All right, here we go. These are going to be the stats for the PAP. PAP is one of the patterns that we trade. It's one of 5 different patterns that we teach you in the core package. And these are what we call naked stats or naked setups, meaning that we don't do any kind of filtration. We are looking at just the setup itself. When you think of trading, we have there's like 5 different dimensions of trading. This is really just the first dimension that you're seeing here. There's actually 4 additional dimensions, but don't want to get into that here at this point. But basically, this is at the first dimension. You can see even at the first dimension, no filtration, no additional, looking at no additional indications of which way the market is going to move. The stats are pretty strong here. Overall for the week, once again, this last week I've been focusing on the Aussie Euro and the Yen. Had a really nice week overall. Don't do much in the Pound US. First trades of the day were good in the evenings. Had a couple losing trades in the morning. Really just selecting, had several. Like Tuesday, we had like 3 that all set up at the same time. I ended up having to actually take the loser instead of one of the winners, but that's just the way it is, right? So everybody's results are going to be a little bit different. I believe this was in the pound, which is the weakest one. If you'd gone with the Aussie or the Euro, then you probably would have done quite well because they were winners. So anyway, that being said, stats overall pretty much where I wanted to be in the 70% range. So this is, folks, this is over, I don't know, I think I've looked at over 5 to 10,000 trades, and there's still percentages have not changed. So I'm pretty sure and pretty confident this is going to continue based on the way that everything is structured. That being said, my CB trades for the week had a fairly decent week. Never really got too aggressive this week, but overall the week was moving very good. Had a lot of really good flow, a lot of good follow through in the market. And as always, whenever you're trading, you always want to have that follow through, which leads to some really, really nice setups. And that's what we saw in CB. Ended up having $6,600 overall. I know that some of you were trading quite well. I have many students that are looking at a $200 objective, typically hitting that within the first hour of the day. So, if you have time to trade more, you can do better. Me, I'm very limited to the amount of time that I can trade now with the live chat room, but nonetheless, still had a good day or good week overall trading the CBs. So anyway, that's going to be it. I wanted to keep this kind of short because of the holiday. If you're interested in purchasing the core package, just go to binaryprostrategies.com. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email there. There is a contact link there that you can go ahead and contact us, and always be glad to answer your questions. Don't forget, we have that special going on for the next 2 days, today on the 4th and tomorrow on the 5th. For those that didn't have an opportunity to jump on board, it's probably going to be the best price I'm going to have all year. Really not planning on running this again, so I would certainly take advantage of it if you're interested in the core package. So that's going to be it. Hope everybody have a great trading week. We'll be back next week for our next weekly results, and we will see you in about another 7 days. Y'all take care.